Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Frequency. I am Zane.
And I am Zola. Today, guys, we are unlocking a secret weapon for your daily confidence. How to describe what you are wearing in English without getting tongue-tied.
Haha. Oh man, this is a big one. Think about how many times a day we look in our closet and think, what on earth am I going to put on today?
Every single morning. And then, if you travel or meet international friends, someone asks you, I love your jacket, where did you get it? And suddenly, your brain freezes, right? You know the word clothes. But what about the fabric, the style, or how it fits?
Exactly. You just stand there smiling awkwardly, pointing at your shirt and saying, nice clothes. But today, we're going to fix that completely. No boring textbook dress codes or weird fashion shows. Just real simple words you can use to talk about your style every single day.
That is right. Fashion shouldn't be complicated or stressful. It is just a fun way to show the world who you are. So, let us start with the absolute basics. When we wake up, what is the very first thing we do? We get dressed. And the things we put on are called clothes.
Say it with us, guys. Clothes. Notice that weird th sound at the end. Clothes. Good job. Now, when you look at your closet, how do you describe the style you like? Are you a casual person or do you like to dress up?
Oh, I am 100% a casual person on the weekends. For me, comfort is everything. Give me a soft t-shirt, stretchy jeans, and comfortable sneakers. And I am happy.
Casual means relaxed, everyday clothing. Clothes that let you move, sit on the couch, or walk to the grocery store without feeling tight or uncomfortable. But what about when you have an important meeting, a wedding, or a nice dinner date?
Then you switch to formal or smart clothing. For guys, that means a sharp button-down shirt, dress pants, or a suit jacket. For women, it could be a lovely dress or a tailored blazer.
Zane, let us pause right there and ask our community watching right now. How do you usually dress during the week? Are you stuck in a formal office uniform, or are you living in casual hoodies and sneakers? Let us know in the comments.
I love seeing everyone's personal style in the comments. Now, let us talk about the specific pieces we wear on our upper body. Let us go from top to bottom. What do you wear when it is hot outside, Zane?
Simple. A short-sleeved t-shirt, or a tank top if it is super hot. But when the temperature drops and autumn or winter arrives, what comes out of the closet?
The heavy hitters. A cozy sweater, a warm hoodie with the front pocket, or a heavy winter coat.
Hoodie is one of my favorite English words. It sounds friendly, right? It is that soft sweatshirt with a hood attached to keep your head warm when the wind blows.
And what about your lower body? We have pants or trousers for the legs. In casual American English, we almost always say pants. And, of course, the most famous pants in the entire world, jeans.
Blue jeans. Invented over 100 years ago and still worn by millions of people every single day. They are durable, they match everything, and they never go out of style.
But wait, what about when the weather gets warm, like right now in the summer? You trade your long jeans for shorts?
Shorts. Exactly. Short pants for warm days. Now let us talk about a word that beginners often confuse. Shoes. Shoes are what you put on your feet before you step outside.
And within shoes, we have different types. If you are going running, hitting the gym, or walking 10,000 steps around the city, you wear sneakers.
Sneakers. Comfortable, flexible athletic shoes. If you are going to a formal party or business interview, you might wear dress shoes or boots.
Let us talk about another fun part of fashion, colors and patterns. This is where you can really make your outfit pop. How do you describe a color in English, Zane?
It is easy. You just put the color word right before the item of clothing. For example, a blue shirt, a black jacket, a white sneaker, or a red dress.
Exactly. Adjective plus noun. But what if the clothing does not have just one solid color? What if it has lines or shapes?
Ah, patterns. This is where it gets interesting. If an item has straight lines crossing across it, we call it striped, like a sailor's shirt with blue and white stripes.
And what about little round dots? Like a summer dress covered in dots? That is polka dot. So cute, right?
Very classic. And what if it has crossing diagonal lines that form squares, like a cozy winter flannel shirt? That is checked or plaid.
Let us test you guys at home right now. Look down at what you are wearing this exact second. Can you describe it out loud? For example, I am wearing a blue striped t-shirt and dark jeans. Try it with us.
That is the best way to learn. Practice with real items around you. Now let us talk about fit. How clothing fits your body is super important for how you feel.
Oh, yes. If clothes are too small, they're tight. They squeeze your body and feel uncomfortable. If clothes are too big, they are loose or baggy. They hang off you like a blanket.
Right now, oversized baggy hoodies are super trendy because they feel like wearing a cozy cloud all day long. But for a professional look, people often prefer fitted or tailored clothing that matches their exact body shape.
And let us not forget the final touch that brings an entire outfit together. Accessories.
Accessories. Things like a warm knitted scarf around your neck, a sleek leather belt holding up your jeans, a stylish hat, or a shiny wristwatch.
Accessories are like the punctuation mark at the end of a sentence. They turn a plain outfit into a statement. You don't need a closet full of expensive designer brands to look great. You just need to know how to mix comfortable basics with things that make you smile.
That is the ultimate takeaway for today. Fashion is not about showing off or spending a fortune. It is about feeling confident, comfortable, and totally yourself in whatever you wear.
We love exploring these everyday topics with you guys. If this video helped you learn some fun new vocabulary for your wardrobe, hit that like button right now.
And make sure to subscribe to the English Frequency so you never miss a chance to build your English fluency naturally while talking about real life.
Wear what makes you happy today. Keep practicing your phrases, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
See you guys.